Jimbaran Bay. Savor the ultimate Bali beachfront dining experience at Jimbaran Bay, where golden sunsets meet fresh ocean flavors. Stroll along the soft sands and choose your just-caught seafood, grilled lobster, succulent prawns, clams, or snapper, prepared with aromatic Balinese spices. Dine under the stars at candlelit tables right on the shore, toes in the sand, as gentle waves set the rhythm. With live acoustic music and a romantic, laid-back vibe, Jimbaran's seafood feasts are a must for couples, families, and food lovers with local prices. Pure paradise, one delicious bite at a time.
Welcome to Bali. Sit nicely. Discover the magical of the island. With friendly and professional tour guide,